In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the container width in JupyterX. In most websites, you'll see at least one area that is inside a container, whether a menu, text area, or gallery. In JupyterX, whether you're using a full width layout or a boxed width layout, you may want to adjust the size of the page's container. By default, both full width and box layouts come standard with an 1140 pixel container width. In order to change the container width of your website, go to the WordPress dashboard and on the left menu, go to Appearance, Customize. Then click on Site Settings, and from the Settings tab, you can set a container width for your layout. Also, you can determine if you want your site to be full width or boxed. Now just close the Options panel and publish the settings. Thanks for watching. Cheers.